Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our factory IO scene. We are going to program a scene which is called our elevator basics. This is the scene is our elevator basic, and now you will see that it's have three conveyors: conveyor 0, 1, and the conveyor 2, and it's also have the lights, warning lights. These lights already have in every conveyor, and we have some buttons which is auto and manual, emergency, start, stop, reset, and you will see here is our entry and here is our exit. So first you need to know, we need to set our dead box, entry box maximum time. You will see that 25. We need to next box in after 25 seconds. So we are going to set that. I am just saving that. You will see that the scene is saved. Now I am going to show you our programming. I already created, but I am going to describe you. First of all, you will see I am going to make an first of all I am starting a simulation and connect it with the PLC to show you. '90. So our program is now going to load, and we are going to connect that. So you will see that our program has been loaded. Start all and finish. Now I'm going to connect it with my PLC sim. You will see that. Now first you will see I have an start and stop button there, which is on our panel there, like that. So you will see we have that start and stop and auto manual button. I am just going to show you. I am just communicating it, and now you will see. First you will see I am going to select that, and you will see the auto is on. Now you will see I am going to press the start button here, like that. So you will see that at entry what it will done. I think I need to show you again to make it start and stop. You will see that like that, and I am just place that start button. So you will see auto is on, and I click on the start button. So you will see that after clicking on the start, you will see our set light and entry conveyor is set. So where is our entry conveyor? Here is our entry conveyor. This conveyor is our entry conveyor. You will see that, and you will see if our conveyor is 0 on, it will green light 0 on. Conveyor 1 on, B green light on, means that light. So you will see that because the conveyor is off, that why red is on. So you will see that when the conveyor 0 is on, its green light is on. When the conveyor 2 conveyor 1 is on, its green light is on. So that's how I program that. So you will see that conveyor 0 is closed, that why red light is on every conveyor. So you will see that I just program like that. Now you will see first if that one is equal to 0, So you will see that at entry conveyor must be on, and that one is equal to 0. Counter is 0 and at entry sensor. Here is our at entry sensor there. You will see at entry left, and in the right place there is our at entry sensor, like that. You will see at entry sensor. Then it will set load left. Load left means loading that conveyor. Loading that conveyor is set, and reset load light means it will reset and move one to our counter. Counter is for, we use counter is that for counting our turns in every different thing. So you will see that it will load reset, load right means that one. You will see that here is our load right. I am just going to show you. You will see that load light. It will reset our load light, and then in the below. So you will see if the counter have the value of 1, so at entry it will reset our entry conveyor, means that when that pass that, so you will see that it will reset our entry conveyor, and then after at entry left means that it will pass at entry left, then it will do what it will do. It will reset load left and set left up. So what is reset load left and set left up? Now you will see. You will see it reset load left and set left up. So it will set left up. So you will see when it is reaches at left low one. So here is our left low one. You will see at left low one it will time to 80 millisecond, and then reset left up means it will reset that one and set load left. So you will see that what will it will do, like that. So you will see that will do that. I need to, I think, restart that again. So it will reset our load left, and now when it reset our load left, then what is set our load left. So you will see it reaches the point, load left is set. So when it will pass at exit set, you will see the conveyor one is set, and then at exit left you will see that it will do. I think we need to restart that again, like that. Again, so you will see that the working of that one. So here is our exit at exit left. It will set our conveyor 0. You will see our conveyor 0 is on. पेट्रोल डलवाया क्या तुमने? I think we need to reset that again. Now again, so you will see that it will set again an entry conveyor. After at left low, you will see that it will reset left down and set in entry conveyor. So what it will do, you will see that this program is working, but I think you will see that. I think there is a mistake in our scene. I need to open the scene again and going to basics again and maximum time to 25. Now I'm going to traverse, set going to PLC sim, connect it to my PLC sim. You will see when it is reaches our at load left low, you will see it will read left down and set our entry conveyor, means it will reset, it will again set that our entry conveyor. So first I need to show you how that is working, then I think I am going to brief you whole program. You see that so you will see that. So that is our write up, that is our write up, and you will see our conveyor 0 is on. Then when we also have sensors there, so you will see when it will reaches there, it will off that one, and then it when it will cross that means at left, right. So you will see that it will goes down, and that one is reaches to there. You will see that from the behind. Now you will see that when it is past that sensor, you will see it will goes up again and it will goes down again. So after everything I am just going to move that different values. So you will see I am at entry 1, I am going to set yellow lights, means our box is at there. So you will see that it will reaches there, and it when it will goes down. Like that. You will see that. There is our left up, left down, right up, right down. You will also see that. And we also have there left up, left down, right up, right down. So you will see that on my screen, left up, left down. So you will see left up. When it is reaches that sensor, you will see it will close there. The same circle is now being closed. Now I am going to show you. You will see it will reset. So that the both program is same. That program is same, but you will see that at load left it will reset our right up, and set load left you will see that. So at nt it will set our B yellow nt1. So there is for right, means it's for our right that one. So it is for that one, that logic. So at the same, at exit 1 you will see set load right, everything is same. But in the end you will see when it is reaches at entry right, you will see it will move true to counter, means that logic of our first conveyor. Our first conveyor, that conveyor is logic finish, then it will do for the third conveyor. You will see that the same programming, but it will do for our that conveyor. So you will see that the same logic when it reaches at left 2, you will see the red is on, then it will do the same things the above below. You will see at entry it will reset our controller. If you watch my previous video, you will easily understand that. You will see that at right low 2 means it will reaches there, then it will do that command. So you will see that. So now our that command is now going to use. but you will see when it will reaches the 3, then it will that that program is there. Now you will see that in the end we follow the same thing. You will see that move 0 to counter. You will see. You will see that when it is reaches there, you will see it will move counter to 0 at exit. So you will see that. After that one reaches there, then our 0 moves to that counter. So you will see that you will see that it reaches there, you will see it will move 0 to that one. You will see that again it's move 1 because our one logic is ready. Now I am going to show you. You will see that there is again a mistake in there, but that's it. That is the same logic we are going to use. If you need that logic, you have my WhatsApp number. You will easily reaches me on my WhatsApp. I will send you that project program if you want to learn, or if you want to copy paste, just copy my program and uh, use in your uh, TA portal for practice. I think that's it. That's our just logics of our elevator basic. And if you want to learn, watch my more videos on Moore's Factory IO. I also created videos on TIA portal and WinCC runtime SCADA, Ignition SCADA, Indosoft SCADA. In the descriptions, I have give links of that playlist. So I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and click the bell icon. And don't forget to read the description. And if you need that program or that help, you will easily WhatsApp me. Thank you very much.